How's it going, humans? Okay, so I've been working on this Reno upstairs and I need to make a register cover. So I wanted something cool. I wanted something like old-timey or gothic and all that. And I found a really cool one at an antique shop. But I was not gonna spend 130 some odd dollars or however much this little sticker says on an air return. So, idea. I found this at the Orange Box store. And I happen to have just enough hickory hardwood flooring. So we're gonna make a register cover. We got one shot. No mistakes. Let's go. Okay, so the plan is gonna be really simple. We're gonna make a square with miters that's 16 by 6 with this in it. That's it. That's all we're doing. So there it is, look! It's a vent cover! Except here's the problem, is I found one that I kind of like better. So we're gonna put this one in. Sorry I made you watch this video. I'll put this one somewhere else. It'll go somewhere else in the house, I promise. But this one's just prettier. Sorry.
Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
Sorry. It's just prettier. I'm sorry. Hope you enjoyed it. I swear the next one will be better and I'll actually like keep the thing that I did. That's it. That's all we're doing.